Okay, so today what we're working on is the pool again. As you can see, this leg is starting to rust out. So basically it's cocked out, it's leaning out. So what I'm thinking about doing is using this top rail of a chain link fence post, and I'm going to slide that post into that hole. So I'm going to have to lift that T-connector up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little subcompact tractor with the loader on it and try to lift that up. If that doesn't work, then we might try a jack. Also, I'm going to take and dig down in the ground right there so I don't have to lift that tractor, to lift the T-connector up with the tractor as far. Because if I lift it up too far, then the other legs might start flexing out. So, and it's almost full of water. I've got it draining down now. So, trying to eliminate draining all the water out because I got it pretty crystal clear. And this problem has occurred. And we also have a leaking window, which is a common problem. So, trying to get the water down so we can fix that also with another method. Because the JB weld that's made for water, which is called water weld, is not working. So I'll update y'all on what we got going on in a few minutes. We're going to try to lift this up and dig that out, and I'll record another video so you can see the progress. Thanks. Alright, so we got the pool lifted up, we got the coupler, we got the pipe. We had it a little bit too long. It doesn't go all the way to the top, it stops right there. So we had to take it all back apart and cut it. So I'm going to do this like this. Slide this down.
Push it on the bottom.
Alright, so basically we got the thing lifted up. We cut the top of the pipe off. It doesn't go all the way to the top like I thought it did. It stops right there. So basically we had to cut off probably about that much. So we cut that off, put the coupler back on the pipe, put it on there, got that slid into the band at the bottom. So now we're just going to remove the old leg. And we have these stepping stones sitting on the pole, so it shouldn't go into the ground. So it looks like it's holding so far. It's actually working pretty good. We're going to unhook the strap, and should be good to go. So everything turned out like I anticipated. Thankfully, no other legs are springed open. So like I said, we'll get this strapping unhooked, and if y'all like this type of content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching.